Welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to export your memories items from Snapchat app. Now let's start. At first you have to open your Snapchat app. In here, if you tap on here, you guys can see the recent memories here. Then if you want to export it to your gallery, then tap on the memory. After finding out the memories item that you want to save, tap on the pencil icon, and in here you guys can see the export option. If you tap on export option here, they will show you a lot of apps where you can share the memory items, and to download it you have to tap on download. Then this memory will be export to your gallery. So this is how you guys can export your Snapchat memory items to your gallery. See how easy it is. We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.